Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 28. How many lines of symmetry has an isosceles triangle? A 4, B 3, C 2 and D 1. So we are asked for the number of lines of symmetry an isosceles triangle have. Now, like we know, we have various types of triangle, and this isosceles triangle is simply a type of triangle in which two sides are equal. That is, two sides of this triangle is equal. That is, here and here are equal. So for an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Now, line of symmetry is just simply the line that divides a plane shape into two equal halves. That is, line that divides a plane shape into two equal half. That is line of symmetry. Now, for an isosceles triangle which has two sides equal, you can only have one line of symmetry that divides it into two equal half, because line of symmetry is a line that divides it into two equal half. Now, for an isosceles triangle, this is the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. You can see here is equal to this place. So an isosceles triangle, we have only what? One line of symmetry, and that is what? D. So D is our answer, 1. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.